Hello and welcome to the training session for entering the attendance in time and attendance out time of employees. In this screen, we will be able to enter the timings for one employee or many employees at the same time. The time entered in the screen for employees would become the basis of deciding whether the employee is late in arriving to school or whether he is leaving earlier than his actual time. So let us see the steps. Click on button M star and select the module HRMS from the module list. The name of the module HRMS appears on the main screen, indicating that we are now working in the HRM module. Click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Attendance Rule. Once the screen opens, select the current academic year. Select a subsession name from the box next to the text subsession. Now, talking a bit about the subsession, timings are entered separately for subsessions as there can be different subsessions applicable in the school. For example, timings for subsession summer can be different to the timings of subsession winter. In case separate subsessions are applicable in the school, then automatically based on the start time of the subsession, the employee timings become applicable. Schools where there is no subsessions defined, there will be a general subsession that will appear as the subsession in the box. Now click on the circle against the text first half. This would mean that we are entering the timings for the first half, that is before lunch, for employees. The second half would mean the timings after the lunch time. In the box against time from, enter the in time. The time format that is entered is in hours, minutes and seconds, and the colon between the numbers appear on their own. If we want to make AM to PM, we just click on the AM text and it converts into PM. Whereas if we want to again convert PM to AM, we click on the PM and it becomes AM. The in time would be the morning time of the employee. When you enter the time, by default AM appears in this box. Similar to the in time, we will enter the time against the time too. Again, we can make AM to PM by clicking on it. The time entered in time 2 will be the end time or the first half of the day for the employee. So, the in time and the out time for the first halves have been defined for the day. In the next box, filtration for, select a value based on which you want to display the employee list. You will see 4 values here: location, department, employment type and staff type. Based on this field that you select, the next field will show the names of locations, departments, employment types or the staff types, and based on this, further employee names will display for saving the timings as we just entered. Example, if you select the department in this field, then the next field will change into department, whereas if you select the staff type in this filtration for, then the next field changes into staff type. And once we have selected the staff type, the box against the text staff type will show us the different type of staffs: teaching, non-teaching and all. If we select teaching here, then the employee list will be based on this criteria, that is, only the teaching employees will appear in the box. Whereas if we select non-teaching, then only the non-teaching employees will appear in the employee box. Similarly, if in the filtration for we select department, then the next field will become department and it will show the name of the departments. If we select any one department, then the names of that particular department only appears in the employee list. Now in the employee list, you can select multiple employee names to apply the timings of the first half we have just entered. From the list of the employees, select the employee names by clicking on the box next to the employee. If from the box you want to select all the names of the employees, then instead of clicking on one by one, click on the button Select All and all the employees in the employee box get selected. Similarly, if we have selected all but we do not have to do so and we want to deselect all the employees, then we can click on the button deselect all and the entire selection will get removed. So selecting few employees here, and in the next field applicable days, select the days for which these timings are applicable. Select the days by clicking on the box against the day name. Again, we can click on select all if we want to apply these timings for all the days of the week. If you want to remove the tick against any specific day, then click again on the box against that day and the tick disappears. Now click on the add button and the selected employee names with the in time and the out time of the first half appear in the grid. Repeat the same steps for the second half also. To save, click on the save button. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the message and repeat the steps for other employees. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. To check the details entered, find the name of the employees in the grid with the timings as entered. You can also find the name by entering the name of the employee in the employee search box. You can check the timings in the grid for the employee name selected. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. Now, to update the employee timings that we have already entered, let us see the steps. Select the subsession, select the half for which we want to update the timings, enter the new time from, that is the in time, and enter the new time to, that is the out time for the selected half. Again, click on the filtration field to display the employee list. Select the employee for which the employee timings are being updated. Select the days for which the employee timings needs to be updated for and click on add button. The message comes for the existing employees that the employee timings, if exists, will be overwritten. Do you want to continue? If we want to override the new timings with the previous timings entered, then click on yes. After doing so, the timings of the user will get changed. So, it is now showing us the new timings for the selected half for the selected employee. Click on button save to save the new timings. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click on OK on the data saving confirmation message and repeat the steps for the second half. Click on the clear button to clear the screen. Thank you for watching this video.